Alright, so these are the mangoes here behind me, the ones that I'm going to be picking. So I'm just gonna reach up. What are you all doing, guys? It's currently 33 degrees, humidity is between 80 and 90%, so it is quite high. I just wanted to, let you all know what's going on. So I've been absent for a little while, haven't been feeling too well, but back on it, back on the saddle, trying to get as much footage in before we head back up to the freezer. So I'm in the back of the house right now where I'm currently staying, and I'm currently under a mango tree. There's some mangoes in the trees right now, but they're not quite ripe yet. And then there's just a coconut tree above me. Hopefully nothing falls while I'm actually recording, because that'll be potentially fatal. Today we probably might get out of the house a little bit later on, go have a little look at some of the island, see what it has to offer, and yeah, just take it from there really. It's a beautiful place, some might say even magical, but I'll let you be the judge of that. It's still quite early, so it's yeah, I know when you're on holiday it's never too early for some sort of rum or some beer or something, but I'll probably do some cocktails about 12. Hopefully I'll put that up on Instagram. Maybe just pick a few mangoes for the cocktail. Stay tuned. This particular mango tree that I'm under right now is called the Julie mango tree. Some people think the Julie mango tree or Julie mango is the best of all mangoes, but I'm not sure. Please let me know your thoughts on that. Get over here! So just in case you're wondering, the sort of gluey substance on it, that is resin from the actual mango itself. As you can see, the resin's quite hard. It's not water, you can't just wipe it off. This looks like the thing that mosquito got trapped in Jurassic Park. Is that sort of texture. This doesn't mean that the mango is bad. This just means that, yeah, I'm gonna eat it. Alright, basically I'm gonna eat it. Okay, don't try to put me off. Alright, so these are the mangoes here behind me, the ones that I'm going to be picking. So I'm just gonna reach up. So these are the mangoes I'm gonna be picking in both my head right here. I'm just gonna reach up, pick them. Yeah, they're ripe. Don't squeeze it too much because then it'll be soggy. Sometimes if you look hard enough, you might actually see some ripe mangoes and you don't need to force ripe them. Like what I did just now. Boy, do I feel silly. But yeah, this is going to be eaten as well. Alright, they all need to go. Otherwise the birds are going to eat them. Alright, they're going to have to pay to buy them. And they're quite expensive. So I would advise, eat them.
I think we started something, gonna tell the world again.
Oh, she like but Wagwan Popcorn.
But actually, this thing was here, she liked too much butter.
Honestly, I wasn't expecting this amount of variety, man.
So yeah,
Chips and all sorts.
how you feeling?
Mind some plantain stuff, but needs to be the real salted ones,
Yeah, that's light salted, that isn't it?
No, I mean like the proper salted, not the lightly one.
You don't get the proper salted one.
Nah, sorry then. Because I did like this salt the other day and I wasn't impressed.
So most people just get it too then.
Nah, she ain't chips on the try this.
That's the fun flavors and nothing. Yeah, that's small part.
All these different types of nuts. Alcohol, the love of my life. Wait a minute.
Yeah, those are like mixers.
This is a grenadine here, man. Do they do smaller with grenadines? But this is what I wanted. Been looking for this around for ages. Right? I just found it. Yeah, that's what Claire wanted. See? Yeah, so that wasn't too bad. Yeah, Massey was actually quite cool.
There's things on the back, so because this car has to tell you the
No
girl
trunk?
never shrunk in it. And I don't know girl man speaker.
Yeah,
You know this used to do it.
so Massey was quite good. This is like one of the most polite experiences I've had at a grocery in Trinidad. But yeah, would definitely recommend Massey. Not saying that, you know, other shopping experiences aren't polite, but yeah, this one's definitely something else. Okay, till next time.
But a little bit saying nice, you know.
Yeah, turn it up.
Tongue down the throat while the clothes. I like when my dick don't wear no clothes. It's hot up in the small, reload.
What is this guy doing? See that? You see that? You see that move? That's for advanced users, guys, alright? Hey, what man? Yeah, I used to be famous. No, not really, no.
I'm just living life. Hey, hey, hey. And let my mama tell it. I ain't living.
As you can see, I'm sweating. But yeah, I am loving it because when we get back to England, it's going to be very cold. You're gonna think about days like today when you're hot, and you're gonna miss that. It's always great to come see friends and family. This is extra nice because I don't have it every day, so I value it more. I appreciate it a lot more.